Gary. It's headed right over the airport, right towards a couple of hangars here. It's moving directly to the east, right towards us. We're about 1.5 miles from it. So right now, we're just sitting here watching this one, and I'm keeping an eye on the other one right now that has dissipated. The one to the north has dissipated at this time, and this one has formed behind it, Gary. That's the El Reno Airport, and that's the hangars on the north side of the airport right there, Gary. I'm pointed due south right now, looking to the west. As you can see, it's going across the runway right there. The tornado up in the top is getting a little more defined, Gary. Right now, it looks like a weak tornado on the bottom, but we'll have to see what it does. It's getting a lot of inflow. We're going to have to see what it does to these hangars right here. You can see the wind coming out of the hangars or around the hangars right now, Gary. The tornado's getting a little more defined as I'm talking. We're zoomed in on the bottom of it, but it is getting a little more defined up top. Hey, Gary, we got the other funnel coming down to the north now. We've got two tornadoes on the ground right now. Yeah, as you can see, this tornado's getting bigger. We have 2 tornadoes on the ground within 1 mile of each other. This is El Reno Airport. Yes. Looks like it's lifting. Zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. Yes, sir.